Ensuring burners in your furnace are firing correctly is necessary to maintain a reliable, safe and efficient work environment. At Zeeco, we offer a full-service turnkey burner solution to clean and refurbish burners at your facility or at a Zeeco global location, so your plant can run at its optimum performance. To begin, burners are removed from the furnace and loaded onto bespoke racking in a weatherproof engineered storage and shipping container. The burners are either transported to one of Zeeco's global locations or stored on site for refurbishment in one of Zeeco's mobile workshops. Our fully equipped mobile workshops are built in 20-foot standard shipping containers, specialised for burner repair work, with Zeeco experts on site to complete the job from start to finish. The burners are then unloaded and analysed to verify their condition and the needed repairs. For damaged burner tips, Zeeco engineers use blue light technology to 3D scan the parts. The 3D scan is converted into a complex model that can be sent to drafting and manufacturing teams to produce a like-in-kind part. Zeeco then removes and replaces the damaged burner tips. Burners that don't need repair are disassembled to clear out any debris, carbon deposits and oily residue. Individual burner parts are then aquablasted with water and ceramic bead technology for a light abrasive cleaning. Once all burners are cleaned, they are reassembled and correctly positioned for optimum performance based on the customer's operational parameters. Documentation of the entire process, from the initial inspection to reassembly, is provided to the customer. The newly refurbished burners are loaded back into the engineered storage and shipping container. If refurbishment happens at a Zeeco facility, the burners are delivered back to the customer's site and can remain in the weatherproof container until the customer is ready for Zeeco to reinstall the burners into the original furnace. Once the turnkey burner refurbishment is complete, Zeeco engineers analyse data taken during the process to determine the best operating practices and maintenance cycles to ensure burner reliability and reduce the chance of future damage. Go with the experts for your next turnkey burner project. Zeeco, redefining combustion.